Chinnaswamy Subramania Bharati was a Tamil writer, poet, journalist, Indian independence activist, a social reformer, and a polyglot. That is, a person who can use several languages. Popularly known as Mahakavi Bharati, he was a pioneer of modern Tamil poetry and is considered one of the greatest Tamil literary figures of all time. He was born on 11th December in the village of Ettayapuram in the year 1882. He had his early education in Tirunelveli and Varanasi and worked as a journalist with many newspapers. From a very young age, he was musically and poetically inclined. He lost his mother at the age of 5 and was brought up by his father, who wanted him to learn English and arithmetic and become an engineer. Although it is said that he was proficient in around 14 languages, his favorite language was Tamil. He married Chellamma at the age of 15 and lost his father at the age of 16. During his stay in Varanasi, he was exposed to Hindu spirituality and nationalism. This broadened his outlook. He was a Tamil teacher from August to November in 1904 in a high school in Madurai. During this period, he understood the need to be well informed of the world outside and took interest in the world of journalism. Once he met Sister Nivedita, Swami Vivekananda's spiritual heir, who inspired him to recognize the privileges of women and the emancipation of women, exercised his mind. He considered Nivedita as his guru and penned verses in her praise. He attended Indian National Congress session in Kolkata under Dadabhai Naoroji, which demanded Swaraj and boycott of British goods. In 1908, an arrest warrant was issued against Bharati by the government of British India for his revolutionary writings, forcing him to flee to Pondicherry, where he lived until 1918. He was badly affected by the imprisonments, so his health deteriorated and he died on 11 September 1921. He covered political, social and spiritual themes. The songs and poems composed by Bharati are often used in Tamil cinema. He paved the way for modern blank verse, that is, a literary device defined as unrhyming verse. His numerous works included fiery songs kindling patriotism during the Indian independence movement. Now about A.K. Ramanujan. Attipate Krishnaswamy Ramanujan, popularly known as A.K. Ramanujan, was an Indian poet and scholar of Indian literature who wrote in both English and Kannada. Ramanujan was a poet, scholar, professor, a philologist, that is, a person who studies literary texts as well as oral and written records, the establishment of their authenticity and their original form, and the determination of their meaning. Folklorist, that is a person who studies the traditional beliefs, customs, and stories of a community passed through the generations by words of mouth. Translator and playwright. His academic research ranged across 5 languages: English, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, and Sanskrit. Ramanujan's poems are remembered as mysterious works of startling originality, sophistication, and moving artistry. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award posthumously, that is after the death of the originator in 1999, for his collection of poems, the Collected Poems. He was born in Mysore city on 16th March 1929. He was educated at Marimallappa's High School and at the Maharaja College of Mysore. He became a fellow of Deccan College, Pune, and a Fulbright scholar at Indiana University. He was educated in English at the University of Mysore and received his PhD in linguistics from Indiana University. Some of his works include The Interior Landscape, Speaking of Siva, Penguin, Poems of Love and War, The Striders, Second Sight, The Collected Poems, and many more. That's all for today.